With UI development in Storyboard, the process of creating and adding functionality to the UI has advanced with the use of components. Components give users reusable design elements that can be used throughout a project or multiple projects. Components can be groups and controls with graphic assets like fonts and images, combined with interactive behaviors and logic that can be customized and reused, and this makes components a powerful resource for UI development. Populating UI with ready-made design patterns like buttons, sliders, or menus, and being able to customize and control their inner workings are more flexible and practical than other UI widget solutions. And to customize components in Storyboard 5.0, there's a custom editor, where changes can be made to components, saved, and synchronized with other instances being used throughout the project. Components are the ready-made UI elements that are easy to use, easy to make, and easy to customize that can help Storyboard applications have a better user experience. Start building a better UI with Storyboard today. Download the free Storyboard Suite 30-day trial at cranksoftware.com.